The best healthy foods to gain weight fast. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. 1. It provides a good balance of proteins, carbs, and fats and is a good source of calcium, as well as other vitamins and minerals. 2. Trusted source. For those trying to add more muscle, milk is an excellent protein source that provides both casein and whey proteins. Research has even shown it can help you add muscle when combined with weightlifting. Additionally, studies have found that milk, or whey and casein combined, can lead to greater mass gain than other protein. Try drinking 1 or 2 glasses of whole milk, 149 calories per cup, as a snack, with a meal, or before and after a workout if you're training. Milk smoothies are also a delicious way to add milk to your diet. For an easy morning protein boost, try blending up 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, about 275 calories. Rice is a convenient, low-cost carb source to help you gain weight. Just 1 cup, 158 grams, of cooked white rice provides 204 calories, 44 grams of carbs, and very little fat. 6. Trusted source. Rice is also fairly calorie-dense, meaning you can easily obtain a high amount of carbs and calories from a single serving. This helps you eat more food, especially if you have a poor appetite or get full quickly. When you're on the go or in a rush, 2-minute packs of microwavable rice can be easily added to other protein sources and pre-made meals. Another popular method is to prepare a large pot of rice, refrigerate it or freeze individual portions, and then combine it with different proteins and healthy fats for varied meals throughout the week. There are many ways to turn relatively bland rice into a taste extravaganza. The easiest way to add taste, calories, and a protein boost is to simply stir in some of these ingredients after you have cooked your rice. Butter and Parmesan cheese, broccoli and cheese, scrambled eggs, toasted sesame seeds, peanuts, or cashews. Another way to boost taste and calories is to top your rice with a sauce like curry, pesto, or Alfredo. You can buy these sauces ready-made if you're pressed for time. A rice dish can easily become a whole meal. Try this wild rice and chicken kale for a healthy lunch, 400 calories per serving. You can also stir up your own healthy take on the Chinese takeout favorite, fried rice, with this vegetable tofu fried rice dish, which is actually baked.